Hello. Are you worried about your website's performance on Google? Not sure which keywords you're actually ranking? Go on Google and search Seobix.com. Just enter your domain, and instantly check the keywords your site is ranking. See which keywords are bringing in traffic and which ones need improvement. Track your position, monitor changes, and discover new opportunities. With real-time data, you'll stay ahead of the competition. Find keyword gaps and new opportunities. Only with Seobix. Stay updated with Seobix.